guys, okay, for today's video we're going to be making sweet and sour chicken. I have all the ingredients that we'll be using in today's video. I will also have a list of those ingredients in the description box down below. Let's just go ahead and identify all the ingredients that we have. In front of us we have our apple cider vinegar, white sugar, flour, soy sauce, ketchup, vegetable oil, brown sugar, cornstarch, pineapple chunks, 2 eggs, sesame seed. I have yellow onion, green pepper, green bell pepper, garlic, carrot, and scallion. And most important ingredients, I have my chicken. I am using chicken breast today. I have already, cleaned, seasoned, but I will be showing you guys how I cut the chicken in chunks. But it's already seasoned and ready for today's video. So let's get started, guys. Now we're going to make our sweet and sour sauce. White sugar, apple cider vinegar, Okay, so we have our cornstarch, we have our egg, and we have our flour. I'm gonna take my chunk, I'm gonna dip it in the cornstarch first. Cornstarch is optional. Shake it off, and I'm gonna add it in to the egg. Shake it off, and then I'm gonna add it into the flour. take my fully coated chicken breast chunks and I'm going to add to my oil. Okay, I almost forgot, for our sauce, we're gonna cut garlic into little cubes and add to our sauce. Our sauce is done, we're going to dice our yellow onion, our green pepper, and our carrots into chunks. And I also have my pineapple chunks. Okay, so the green pepper, the carrots, and the onion, and our pineapple that we cut previously, we're going to saute in vegetable oil. Okay, the sauce that we made earlier, we're gonna add our sauce. guys, we are all done with today's video. This is the final product. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, yes, get into it, get into it, get in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you guys would like to see more content from my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and join the fam. And you can also follow me on Instagram to see behind the scenes, follow the journey. If you guys have any suggestions, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.